Hi, I'm Payal Bagzai and I design spaces. We are in a 6,000 square foot villa property. It's a renovation project for a C-suite client whose brief was to design a space with a sense of sophistication and luxury. The house was earlier surrounded with big open spaces which were mostly disconnected with the indoors. We established that connect architecturally, creating a walkway from the front of the house to the back. The furniture is minimal and stands out just about to make a classy statement against the subtle materiality of the fluted panelings, the rich marble surfaces in the backdrops. Fluted paneling is a common element that binds the whole space together, at least on the ground floor, acts as a really lovely backdrop, lends the space a nice pattern and a texture. It starts from the entrance, moves to the foyer, then moves to the dining area and the informal living, all the way to the formal living. The master bedroom is very much in tune with the client's personality. Like I said, they wanted a very open and spacious layout, and this room literally has three things: the bed, the sofa, and the console. That's how minimal my client is. So this used to be an open wardrobe space, and given the scale of the bedroom, we didn't need any more extension, so we covered it and yet made it look like a part of the wall. This leads us to the luxurious master wardrobe space. So the one room I was very excited to talk about was the kids' room. The kids' room has evolved around the hobbies of the two little girls. One loves reading, so we have a reading corner for her. The other one's evolving or exploring her artist side, so we've given her a doodle board. So the guest room on the ground floor is mainly going to be used by the parents. This has been designed keeping in mind the comfort for the parents and sometimes even the guests. The kitchen is the space for the family to get together, and the island works perfectly well for that. We've also done a big window cutout in the kitchen that kind of connects the patio outside to the kitchen, and the window also works as a service window when there's a party happening or just for the kids to run around and play in the patio while the mom's cooking in the kitchen. The earlier terrace was a utilitarian one, mainly used for dumping extra stuff. The new take on the terrace gives a nice breakout space where one can unwind with company in the midst of lush greenery from all around. And then we have a buffet counter that's overlooking the seating area, while the wraparound bench provides ample space for seating without crowding. So I think it's come out exactly how we envisioned it, and what I love about renovation projects is that you get to see a before and then there's a drastically different after, which is just so satisfying.